equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a new cable, and a cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson HD07. This is crucial for safety. Next, remove the screws on the back panel using your screwdriver. Keep these screws safe. You'll need them later. Once the panel is off, take a moment to clean the internal components. Dust can affect performance, so use the cloth to wipe away any debris. Now, locate the old cable connection. Carefully disconnect it, noting how it's attached. Take your new cable and connect it in the same way. Ensure it's secure. Before reassembling, do a quick visual check of the internal parts. Look for any wear or damage. Now, replace the back panel and screw it in place. Make sure everything is tight. Finally, plug in your Dyson HD07 and test the new cable. If you need help, remember, professional diagnosis without obligation is available. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Get a quote before repair, with no calls and no travel required. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.